Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers, and with me Oppo A78 5G device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on your smartphone. So firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you are using a mobile network, just disable the Wi-Fi. If you are using the Wi-Fi, just disable the mobile network. Disable location services if you don't need to use maps right now. Disable nearby share, disable hotspot, disable NFC if you don't need it. If you want to, if you don't use Bluetooth right now, just disable the Bluetooth, because all of these services are constantly searching for their networks and constantly pending their battery power. So then you need to open settings and scroll down, find here battery, and here you will see the power saving mode. So you can enable it, but firstly, enable turn on at specified battery level. I suggest you set 20%, for example. Default optimizations, reduce screen brightness, screen out to screen off time to 15 seconds. Okay, disable background sync. Okay, lower than screen refresh rate. So I suggest you enable all of these tumblers. Then just enable power saving mode. And of course, you can enable super power saving mode. To do it, you need to enable this tumbler and click turn on. In this mode, your device will live several days, even if you have just only 15%, for example, or 50%, for example. But here you can use only 6 applications. Of course, if you will add YouTube and several games to this mode will be useless. But if you will use only applications you need, so in this way, of course, this mode will help you to improve your battery life. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.